Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to smoke some chuck roast on my little Pit Boss tailgater. Before we get started, if this is your first time here, coming back again, hit that subscribe button right there. Ring that bell if you want to be notified on my future cooks. So today I'm going to be using the Pit Boss pecan, hickory, and mesquite blend. That's a really good blend for almost everything, especially meats. And got these chuck roast steaks. They're pretty thin, so this cook may not take too long. I'm gonna just run it on smoke for about an hour. I want to get nice, good smoke flavor in these. And of course, the only thing I'm going to put on these is my salt, pepper, garlic. I did make a little blend of my own. I added some green chili powder in there, not too much, but just enough. You can kind of taste it at the end, but garlic pepper is your salt, pepper, garlic. It's SPG. McCormick, you know, I've been using this for a long time, and I haven't heard from you about a sponsorship. Anyway, you want to coat these really well. It's not going to hurt them. It's beef. Look at these things coming apart too, right at the fat. That's okay. We're going to end up shredding them anyway. So you just want to do both sides. Get a nice good coat. You can use just salt if you want, but I don't know. Salt, pepper, garlic, you can't beat it. And that's all we do. We're going to get this on the tailgater, set it smoke level at P4. Let's get these on here. Nice smoke rolling out of there. We're just going to set them in like that and let them run for an hour. So, see you in a second. Okay, we've been going for 1 hour, still at P4. It's running at 165, so let's give them a look. Alright, so they're looking pretty good, huh? Alright, so I'm going to turn this up to 2 1/4, and we'll check it back in about 30 minutes. We'll check the temp just to make sure we don't get too overboard. It's running at 225 for 30 minutes. Look at that, man. Take a quick temp check. 124, 128. Okay, pretty good. I got some better than bouillon beef stock here. I don't have a mop, but I'm going to spread some of this on here. Keep it nice and moist. Spoon works just fine. We are going to let that go probably another 20-30 minutes. Another, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour maybe. We'll just keep a check on it. Alright, 1 hour on 225. 58. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of au jus on here. A little better than bouillon. Look at that. Oh, man. Yeah, no mop. Spoon works. Alright. I'm going to let these go about 15 more minutes, and then we'll wrap it up and braise it a little bit. Okay, while we're waiting for that to smoke, do a little mail call. We got a sticker from Rob over at Barbecue Pit Dog, so we're gonna get his sticker up here on my beer fridge. I'm gonna stick it right here. Okay, there we go. Rob, you got your John Hancock on my fridge here. And hey, if you want to get your sticker on my fridge and get a shout out for your channel, just email me at Kevin@ManKitchenRecipes. I'll send you my address. Or if you just want one of my stickers, that's this one right here, send me an email with your address. Or if you want both, let's do it. All right, let's get back out to the grill. Okay, it's been another 20 minutes. These are ready to put in our pan. have a pan with some onions in it. See if these will fit in here. Ah, sure. Goes right on top of the onions like that. Okay, these have been on smoke for 1 hour. That's a P4. Yeah, it was around 165, 170 for an hour. Then I turned it up to 225. I checked it after 30 minutes. Put a little bouillon, better than bouillon sauce on it to keep it moist. We went another 30 minutes, and then I let it go another hour, and then another 20 minutes. So here we are. I got them in my pan with some onions right there. And then from here, I am going to pour the rest of my better than bouillon in here. I made 2 cups. I'm just going to pour it all in there. Okay, I got my temp probe. I'm just going to put it in one of these because they're both running about the same temp. Now I'm going to seal it up. Get it back over here. Still running at 225. Like I said, it should only take an hour or so, maybe 2, but I'm hoping an hour. I think I did say keep rolling at 225. We're actually turning this up to 250. It's at 240 right now. I also wanted to show you inside. Look at that hopper. And this wasn't even full. This thing's been going for quite a while now. You gotta just love this thing. Anyway, we'll be back. Okay, we are an hour and a half in. It's not saying it's quite ready yet, but I just want to check it. Oh, we will let it go another, whatever, 15, 20 minutes, whatever it needs. Oil back on it. We'll see in a little bit. Okay. We're running about 198. It is really soft. It is like butter. I don't know if you can see that from there, but I'll pull this out here in a second. Alright, so let the steam out, obviously. Look at that. Oh my. Stiff right there and right here, but that's okay. Everywhere else is it just goes right in. Very little pullback. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I was going to wrap them individually, but I think I'm going to leave them in this juice, and I am going to let this sit for an hour in my little ice chest over here. Okay, get it in the ice chest, let it sit, open it up, pull it apart. There it is in my ice chest. Just cover it up, let it rest. Okay, it's been an hour, and just took these out of the ice chest, the heating chest. Look at that. Okay, I am going to glove up. Save this juice and use it on another use of it, but for right now we're not going to use it because I'm going to put barbecue sauce on it. So, man, okay, look at that. Oh man, look at that smoke ring. It's perfect, beautiful. Look at that, just bust the shreds up. That's why they call it pulled beef. And you can just pull it apart. Just like this. Okay, so I am going to make sandwiches with it. Let me bring it up here for a second, because I'm going to take a bite of this. Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to keep pulling this apart and getting it ready for our sandwiches. But I got to tell you that it's just got the garlic pepper on it. I did have a little green chili spice. It's green chili powder that I added to my garlic pepper, and you can sure taste it. Okay, get this shredded up and get our sandwiches going. Okay, look at that. I got it all shredded up. I even kept some of the, or broke some of the onion up that was in the juice over here in here. Look how nice and smoky that is. Oh man. All right, let's build some sandwiches. What we gotta do is melt some butter and get our buns on here. We do have it. I'm heating it up. It's a little warm. Okay, I think these buns are about ready. Yep. So I'm gonna get those off of here. Nice and toasty. Nice. That's the way I like our buns, right there. Some meat on here. Heat it up. For our sandwiches, and get some barbecue sauce on there, some Sweet Baby Ray's. Nice and heated up. Okay, flame out. On the bun. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. All right, just look at that. Shredded beef barbecue sandwiches. Oh man, these are gonna be good. Gotta love it. Okay, thanks for watching. That's my pulled beef barbecue beef sandwiches. Man, they are delicious. If you get a chance, go ahead and make you some, and we'll see you on the next video.